Hello everyone. If you want make a newspaper in Google Docs, first step, open a new document and on the top click on Format and from columns choose 3 columns. Now we must add title or header for our newspaper. For that, on the top double click on it and write or copy paste your title. For example, and now you can select your title and change align, for example, to center. You can change the font size or use a style. Also, you can add a line for your title. For example, click on end of your title, click on insert and click on horizontal line. Now delete a space line and now back to your main document. As you see, we are in the first column. For example, I write text 1. If you want go to second column, right click on first column and choose column break. Now we are in the second. For example, text 2. Again, if you want go to third column, right click on the second column and choose column break. We are in the second column and now again back to your column first. Now you can add your text. For example, you can copy paste or write your text. I want to show you. Again, one click on the second column, one click on the. Now as you see, we add text to our column. Also you can add image. Any column you want in any part, one click. On the top, click on insert. From image section, you can image from your computer or search the web from your drive, photos, by URL. For example, we choose from computer. Now add an image. As you see, we add the image. If you click on in front of text and choose fixed position on page, you can move your image in any line or any column you want. Also, if you want to add any text, you can, for example, use enter, make a text and find the space for your image and change image to any between your text, or you can use right click on your image and choose, for example, wrap text or inline. Based on your needs, you can change image size. If you want to go to the second page, you must go to third column and just press enter until to reach the second page. As you see, we are in the second page. And again, you must right click on second and choose column break to going to second, and again right click, column break, and after you complete your text and newspaper, you can also change more settings between heading for each section and use font size, font style. Also, we can add line between the column. For that, or we can change a space between the column. For that, click on format and from columns choose more option. Now as you see, we have a number of columns. We choose 3, and you can change spacing. You can decrease or increase spacing, and also we can add line between columns. For example, I turn on and click on apply. As you see now, we have a line between our columns. After you complete your newspaper, you can click on file, and from download section, you can download your newspaper as Word or PDF or web page based on your needs. In this video, we learn how to make a newspaper in Google Docs. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more video. Thanks for watching.